Decorative shelving is a quick and easy method to add storage as well as flair to any space in your house. There are many alternatives to match your requirements and tastes, whether you choose with floating shelves or built-in shelves. When it comes to designing your shelves, finding the proper balance of beautiful and utilitarian objects is critical. Mix and match books with ornamental things like flowers or picture frames, for example, to create a visually pleasing display. To add depth and intrigue, experiment with different heights and textures. Balance is another technique for designing your shelves. This may be accomplished by grouping objects in odd numbers and utilizing symmetry in your designs. Decorative shelves may be used in every part of the house, including the living room, bedroom, and kitchen. Consider placing a floating shelf above your sofa in the living area to showcase pictures and decorative accessories. Built-in shelves in the bedroom can give additional storage and display space for books and accessories. Open shelf in the kitchen may be utilized to display your favorite dishes and glasses. Decorative bookshelf may become a focal point in your house with a little thought and innovation. Therefore, don't be scared to try new things and have fun with it.